This time, let us proceed by the theorem. The side angle-angle theorem, or what we call the AAS. Kasi in other book, AAS, sa ibang book, SAA. But don't worry, they are equal. Okay, when we say side angle-angle, if two angles of a triangle and a side opposite one of its angles, sabi daw dyan, if two angles sa pinag-uusapan, if two angles of one triangle and a side opposite one of its angle. Okay, two angles at yung isang side daw ay opposite ng isang angle. Naintindihan? Two angles and side opposite one of its angle are congruent to the two angles. To the two angles, side opposite of one triangle are congruent to each other. We can say that the two triangles are congruent using the side angle-angle. So, this is the last topic for the triangle congruence. This time, this is theorem. Okay, so the side angle-angle. Okay, meaning, ang pinag-uusapan dito, anak, two angles at yung isang side ay opposite ng isang angle. So, meaning, using example, using angle D and angle F. Okay, this is angle D and angle F. Anong opposite side ng angle D? Segment EF. So, ito yung side, angle, angle. O, another example. Using angle E and angle D. What is the opposite of angle E? What side opposite? Segment DF. Kaya side, angle, angle. Side, angle, angle. Wala tayo dito sa gitna. Naintindihan? Or pwede rin angle, angle, side. O, another example. Using angle E and angle F. What is the opposite side of angle F? D. Segment D, E, or segment E, D. So, this is side, angle, angle. Wala ito. Nagets po. So, this is an example of side angle, angle. Okay, step 1. We need to name the two triangle using the side, angle, angle. Oh, give me the name of the first triangle. O, lagrimas. Triangle IKS. And what is the name of the second triangle? Oranza. Triangle SNI. So, after naming, next step, get the congruent parts. So, give me one pair of congruent parts. Sabi natin, anak, triangle IKS. IK, anong naunang markings? Ito po or ito? Yung guhit o yung curve? Okay, meaning yung guhit. Kanino po yun? Sa side. O, give me one pair of congruent side. Sabi nyo. Is congruent to segment SN. What part is this? Side. Do you understand? Okay, next. After nitong markings, proceed na tayo dito. Kanino to? Okay, angle. Give me one pair of congruent angle. Igmila.
Angle G is congruent to angle N.
Angle N. Okay. 1, 2, asa yung isang markings? Nasa taas. Kanino? Kay side, kay angle. O, angle ulit. Congruent angle. Papares. Angle S is congruent to angle I. What part is this? Okay, we can say that the two triangles are using the side angle-angle theorem. Question. Do you understand? Okay.